Hi everyone, welcome to the Explorer. Today's lesson is about making sentences using simple present and past tense.
Take out your grammar book too. Before you write the sentences into your exercise book, now I would like you to listen to me first. Take a look at number 1. Jumped, jumps, jumped. So there are 3 verbs here. What is the meaning of jumped? Jumped means 跳 Jumps 也是跳 Jumped ed 的那个也是跳 So what is the difference? If you remember what I've told you before, with s and no s, 有 s 跟 no s 没有 s 的那个 without the s 的那个就是 simple present tense, showing habitual action or a fact. Okay, then the past tense verb jumped 那个是 past action 才拿用的，就是已经发生的，我们就要用那个 past tense. Okay, so there are 3 sentences here, A, B, and C. Now what you need to do is you're going to read the sentence and you are going to fill in the blanks with the correct word. 就是填充哪一个字对的，你就写它的答案进去了。Okay, so if you want to copy now, if you want to copy the sentences now, what you need to do is you copy the first sentence, all right? The instruction, the rubric. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay, 你可以抄那个句子了。Fill in the blanks with the correct word. 就是填充的意思，用对的答案填进去。Okay, so fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay, copy the sentence first. And then you leave a line. Number 1. Jumped. Put a finger, jumps. And one more, jumped. Leave a line. Look at A. Listen to me first before you write the answer. Okay, look at A. The cat. So afterwards you have to fill in the blanks with the word jump or jumps or jumped up the table just now. Okay, can you see the word, right? The 2 words just now, the phrase just now. Just now means 刚才. Okay, so you don't forget, right? Just now 的意思是刚才，过了没有？过了。So what is the verb that you have to choose? 刚才那只猫跳上桌子。刚才啊 Okay, then you look at B. B sentence, my dog can. Over the drain. Drained 就是水沟。So 我的狗可以跳过水沟，可以跳。So this is present, 一个事实 present tense showing a fact. But don't forget base form verb can. Can is a base form verb. So afterwards you can circle the word can. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did, may, must, might, ought to, need to, have to. So after this verb, you need to use the base form verb. Okay, so base form verb 是什么？没有 s 的 ，OK， 不可以加 s 的，不可以加 past tense 的，那个就是 base form verb. Okay, one more C. The children. The children 跳，那些孩子跳 and run in the field. See, this sentence is present tense showing a fact. 一个事实 ，see the word run， 它没有 past tense 的，就是一个事实来的。那些孩子在草场 field 是草场跳啊又跑。Okay, so 跳 and run. So 那个跳是 present showing a fact. So 用哪一个啊？ So you check and see jump 或者 jumps 对吗？ Present tense showing a fact 不可以用 past tense 的，因为它是一个事实。So then children 是很多的小孩子。Then you need to sing the song I U V day 多了 I U V day jump 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 是没有 s 的，听到吗？ So can you fill in the blanks on your own? 给自己抄了写答案 then you move on to B. 好了，然后就说 C 了。Do on your own. Okay, copy the sentences and write the answer on your own. Leave a line number 2. Now you're going to write sentences on your own now with these verbs: sleep, sleeps, slept, 睡觉. Sleep, sleeps, slept. Okay, leave a line. Take a look at this sentence. This sentence is in Chinese. Please don't write in Chinese. 不要抄这个句子。Okay, 不可以抄的，只要读罢了，你自己读。Now I want you to write this sentence in English. What must you write first? Subject. Okay, so every time when you write a sentence in English, you must have a subject. So what is a subject? See, so the subject is very easy. 我的狗. Can you write in English? Subject, my dog. Okay. After writing the subject, you must have the verb. So what is the verb now? 睡觉. So always remember, 不可以跟华语的哈. Subject, verb, verb, 睡觉. Okay, so choose 哪一个睡觉, sleep or sleeps or slept. Okay, you have to check and see. Chinese say 昨晚. See, so when you say 昨晚, that means 过了. It's a past action. What is 昨晚 in English? Last night, yes. And 房间呢? 房间 how to say? Room. Okay, now I give you these words. Yeah, my room, 我的房间. Last night is 昨晚. Okay, so now you can write subject, write a subject first, followed by your verb. Okay, choose the correct verb. 睡觉在哪里? In my room. You have to use the word in. I-N, in. In my room. 其实 last night. Okay, can you write now on your own? Subject, verb, choose the correct verb. Where? In my room. Last night. Okay, one more. B. Present tense showing habitual action. How do you know that this is a habitual action sentence? Because of the word 时常. Can you see 时常? So 时常 is always. See the word always? Okay, and sofa is on the sofa. On the sofa. Okay, how to write? Subject first. Okay, so write your subject. 我. Verb 睡觉. But before you write 睡觉, you need the word always. Okay, so always remember the word always, usually, often, 这些是时常的意思. So subject 我 always, then only you write your verb 睡觉. Where? 在哪里睡觉? On the sofa. Okay, so 这个是时常发生，所以那个睡觉呢是 simple present tense， 有 s 跟没有 s 的 past tense 不可以用，那个 slept 不可以用了 ，okay， 因为它是时常发生啊。Okay, can you write now on your own B? C. This is a question， 它一个问题来的。And we are talking about 昨晚，也是 last night， 昨晚。Okay, a question that starts with the word did. Did she? 她昨晚有在你的房间睡觉吗? So when you write this sentence, you have to, because it's a question, you have to start with the word did. Did she? Did she? 然后就睡觉了。Did she 睡觉 in your room? In, I always remember in your room. Last night. again draw 1. Okay, so past tense. Last night is past tense. Okay, so do you think the answer is slept? 是不是 slept？ 因为是过了啦，像 A 的这样，那个 A 的也是 past tense Okay, but are you going to write? Okay, or are you going to use past tense for C? No, the answer is no past tense. Why? Did. Can you say did base form. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, do, does, did 那个 did 在那边，所以是要用 base form verb. So did she 睡觉 in your room last night? Question mark. Okay, write on your own. C. Let's try one more. Number 3. Run, runs, ran, 跑. A. You check the time first. You say every morning. So you're talking about every morning. Habitual action. Write your subject, verb, every morning. Verb every morning, 每天早上. So S or without the S. Okay, so no past tense. But don't forget can. 可以就是 can. 可以跑. 5 km, 5 kilometers every morning. So write your answer on your own. Subject, verb, 5 kilometers every morning. B. Subject is a girl, so she. Verb, which 跑 are you going to use? Run or runs or ran? Then you check the time. 刚才is just now. Okay, so just now means 过了，对吗？ So write your subject, write your verb. To where? To school. Okay, I give you the spelling of school. To and school. Okay, so subject, verb, to, where, school. Full stop. Okay, right answer for B. And one more. Always. Can you see the word always? 时常 is always. Okay, so again you have subject followed by your verb how. But don't forget you need the word always. I always, she always. Can you remember the always? Always then followed by your verb. To where? Okay, it's not to where. In where? In 在哪里? In, it's not to. In the park. In the park. 公园 got park. So write your subject, write your verb. Before your verb, remember always. Always. You see? Okay. So that's for sentence 3C. So afterwards, I want you to read these sentences and take a picture of this page for me. Send to me. Now, take out your level 2 workbook. Turn to page 40. Page 40. You are asked to rearrange. Come, let's read the words. Right? Rearrange the words to form complete sentences. Rearrange. Rearrange the words to form complete sentences. Rearrange means 排过，它叫你用这些字来排过，就是像华语的词句重组。Okay, 就排过那些字。So how to rearrange the words? So always follow what I have taught you. Subject, verb. 一定要找它的 subject 写先，然后去找它的 verb. Okay, now let's take a look at number 1. Look at number 1. Have I, dog, a. So what is the subject? I. Yes, that's the subject. So what I want you to do is you have to write above the I, the word I, you need to write number one. 这个第一个字就是 I， 要写这样的哈。Then followed by the verb have. That's number two. 这样写哦。Okay. Then is three and dog is four. So you need to write. 一定要写每一个字都要写在上面那边哪一个是 subject followed by a verb. Verb 是 have. Have what? A dog. 写先。Okay. After writing, then only after writing, after numbering, means after you have arranged the words, then only you write the sentence. Okay, so when you write the sentence, please remember to touch the line, follow the line, yeah? And you write, I have a dog, full stop. Okay, so that is how you write the answer. So always remember subject and then verb. Okay, subject and then verb, and then after that you look at the rest of the words. Okay, so can you take a look at number 2? Color. In, it, brown, is. So if you don't know the meaning of the word brown, okay, 这边有写了 brown color, okay, like chocolate color, okay, brown. Okay, so what is the subject? See, so here the subject is quite easy to know for you to identify because it's capital letter. Subject 就是第一个字它是大号的，所以那个 it 看到吗 ？it 就是那只狗是 it subject. What is the verb? 哪一个是 verb? 没有动词要用什么？记得吗 ？is 啊 am 啊 are 啊，所以 is。Okay, it is 什么颜色？ Brown in color. It is brown in color 的意思就是它是 brown color， 它的这只狗是 brown color. Okay, so that's for number 2. And then we write in the blanks given. Then look at number 3. Loudly 就是大声 It, box. So you do not know the meaning of box, 飞 subject, verb, and then you write there are 3 words only. Okay, you can write this on your own. And the last one, number 4, likes, bones, eat, to, and eat. 他喜欢吃骨头 So again, the subject is given 他，然后喜欢吃，喜欢 is likes to do what? Likes to eat. 然后骨头 bones, read as bones. Okay, you can write the answer in the blanks given. Okay, write properly. One more page. Page 41. Page 41. Okay, the same thing that you need to do is you are asked to rearrange the words. Okay, look at number 1. Reading. Hobby is my. Hobby means 爱好. Alright, so what is the sentence? How are you going to write? So 我的爱好是阅读. Can you write on your own? 我的爱好 So my hobby. Subject. Verb is am is. Okay, is 然后就阅读就是 reading. That's how you write. Okay, so if you take a look at number 1, don't forget to write the numbers at the top. 不要忘记写号码。就是 my number 1, hobby number 2, is number 3, reading number 4. 一定要写号码在上面的。Okay, then only you write your answer. So the same goes with page 40. So 刚才 page 40有没有写号码在上面呢？ 如果没有写，现在就去写回去了哈。Okay. So now we take a look at number 2. Now I'm not going to tell you the answer. What you need to do is you read. You take a look at the words first. With, I, read, friend, my. Okay, so you're talking about 你自己，你就用我。Okay, I subject. 你跟谁读？我跟我的朋友读。So look at picture number 2. So I subject, then you find your verb. Okay, verb. 找 verb I, and then the answer. You try and write on your own. 我跟朋友读，就是读故事书啊。Alright, number 3. Storybooks 就是故事书。So subject 我们读故事书。Can you write on your own? And number 4. Read, we, at, sometimes. Library, the. So sometimes is the first word that you need to write. Sometimes 就是有时候，有时候 comma subject 我们在哪里读？我们在图书馆阅读。Okay, think and write on your own. Sometimes, comma, subject, we. Then you need to write your verb. 读了，在哪里读？在图书馆。Okay, so think and write the answer on your own. So that's for question number 4. Okay, don't forget to write numbers. Don't number 1, 2, 3写在上面啦。Don't forget, then only you write your answer.
Your homework for today's lesson is you will need to take a picture of your answers for the number 1, number 2, number 3, okay, the sentences, and also the answers in your level 2 workbook, page 40 and 41. So 今天的功课呢是在你的 grammar 书里面的那刚才写的句子，第2题和第3题的 jump, runs and also sleep， 然后要拍在你的Level 2 Workbook 第40面和41面的词句重组。Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.